Alright, in this tutorial we're going to go over string comparison nodes. So to get started, let's go ahead and create a new dialog asset by going to create EasyTalk Dialogue and double click the dialog to open it up in the editor. We're going to start off by creating an entry and exit node. And then we're going to create a compare strings node by going to string compare. And go ahead and connect that to the entry. Now, the way that the compare strings node works is it performs a comparison of whatever type you choose here between the two strings that are entered in these two fields. So if I were to enter ABC and ABC, it's going to do an equals comparison of the two strings, and if it's true, then it will proceed down the true path, and if it's false, it will proceed down the false path. And it also outputs the result to a Boolean, which you can use in other variables or other nodes as well. We also have not equals, and we have after and before, which just checks whether the two strings are alphabetically after or before each other. So if the first string, if we set this to after, and the first string comes after the second string alphabetically, then this result will be true. So if this were XYZ, then this is false because ABC does not come after XYZ. It always checks whether the first thing is after the second thing, or if we set this to before, it's whether the first thing is before the second thing. So this would be true in this case. ABC comes alphabetically before XYZ, so this outputs true, and it will go down the true path here. So I'm just going to demonstrate one of these. If we go ahead and add a convo node and add true here, and add another one and connect it to the false output, and then we just say ABC is before XYZ and ABC is after XYZ, and we save this and we set this dialog on our controller. Click play. And then go to play dialog. It says ABC is before XYZ. And we can also use string variables as the inputs here instead of having to type them in. But yeah, that's the basics of the compare strings node. Hope you learned something, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.